today, so we're working on our diff cover. Yay! Look how big Neptune is.
What you got?
Neptune!
Neptune!
Yeah, Neptune.
Woo!
What?
Any more facts?
Yeah, I have lots of facts.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you know Jupiter has a big red spot, and that big red spot is bigger than Earth?
What? Really?
Uh-huh.
It's bigger than Earth?
Yeah.
Just the spot?
Yeah.
Wow.
Jupiter's red spot.
I didn't know that. Just going through and chasing all the bowl holes. They're not too bad, just a little rusted out. Let's see if this one's that easy. Hopefully it doesn't fall on my feet. Nice. Okay. I got it. Took longer than a Monday. He's got a square body shirt on. Yeah. I guess I'll save it. I'm gonna leave it like that until I find out where I want to put my ram mounts. I'll probably put the ram mounts here, I'm thinking. So, I kind of want the ram up here, and then I go this way. So I'll get the clamp on this section, and then have the bottom of the ram right there. I try to keep it up high, maybe, right along the tie rod. All right, it's nice and cold in the garage. We are going to try to weld in this 1/2-inch MPT bung. I'm going to drill a hole right at the top of this radiator. It's for my steamport. I'm going to have the shop vac running. I did put some grease on here to catch some of the shavings from drilling, and let's see how it comes out. Looks sweet. Now I just need a good weld. I like it. Should work for a steamport. What do you think? Put it there, make life easy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
See it on this side?
Yeah. Yeah, make life easy.
You heard it. Make life easy.
Make life easy. Make life easy.
And it's like a rivet.
A rivet?
Yeah, and you tighten it up. Looks straight. We went with the Holley Sniper EFI fuel system. Everything we need. I think it was a 25 gallon. I probably should have did more research and got a 30 gallon tank, but I think this will work for now. And we're gonna get it set up. Santa got me a new tape measure. USA. Go with that. Five and 7/8. All right, they say heat this up a little bit to get the pump on. I don't have my heat gun here, so I'm going to use the heater. And hopefully that softens it up enough. That wasn't too bad. All right, now I got to trim this return line right before the bottom of this pump so it can fit inside the tank. I forgot to put the pump sleeve on. Doesn't that stink? Oh, that pump. Pump is made in the USA, by the way. Pretty nice. So I got the fuel sender set for the depth of my tank. They're saying to cut the bottom of this bracket off. I had to take that one off. Alright, so it ended up being 4 5/8 to the pivot from this. Now I have to set the float. I cut pretty much all of the excess off. So they want your float 1/8 under the mounting flange. And that's what we got. I'm sure I'll take this apart 10 more times. Alright, the tank is hanging for mock-up. I'm gonna figure out where I want to put the fuel filter and start plumbing. Alright, I like the fuel filter about right there. So I'm gonna work on this line to the tank, and then I'll go from this side to the regulator. You wanna try to tighten it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. It's gotta go up. Alright, we have the return and the feed line, supply line, plumbed. Just using some zip ties for right now. Okay, the fuel system is all plumbed up. And I believe that's it for this year. Thanks for watching.
Yeah! Thanks for watching our blazer build.